is Coach coming at you. I want to introduce you to the hack machine or that Smith machine. We're going to be doing some hack squats and some regular squats on this. So to introduce, it's basically just your standard barbell setup, although it takes stability out of it, which is great when you're trying to load up with lots and lots of weight and you want to just really push yourself. Find that because the stability is taken out of it, you can push a little bit more. It is really good for those just learning. It's also really great for a hack squat, which is going to focus more on the posterior portion of your legs, the back part of your legs. So to introduce it, what you're going to do is you're going to get underneath the barbell. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to grab where I normally do with my barbell, which is about shoulder width apart. On top of that barbell, make sure I'm centered in between that barbell. I'm going to step underneath it. I'm going to position my feet, since my feet are going to be in a more rigid position. I want to make sure my footing is perfect from the get-go. And I'm going to find that I'm going to want my heel or so right about in line with the barbell. And that's what I find is most comfortable for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. And I got no weight on this, so you can kind of better see it. I position my feet. It's going to be shoulder width apart. I'm making sure that I'm centered in between this. And usually the hacks machines are going to be in front of a mirror. Alright, so position myself, foot's about in line with the barbell. I'm going to push my butt back as I squat down, so it's everything else is just like you know and love. If you're looking for the hack squat, it's really imperative you do it on this or using a stability ball, because you can't really load up with a stability ball. I'm a much bigger fan using the Smith machine for that. So you're going to step out a good about 2 foot lengths, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. And what you are ideally looking for is you're going to be holding onto the barbell. Make sure that you sit into this invisible chair with the knee on top of the ankle at this point. Push through those heels and stand it up. It's a matter of preference whether you want your hips to go forward or keep them back. I do a little bit of both. But from here into that invisible chair, push through those heels and stand it on up. To rack it, you're just going to make sure that the Smith machine, the hooks are above one of the pins, and you just rotate it forward.